3. Hey guys! Back
with
again.
Oh, okay.
3. Hey guys! Back
again
with
another
banger.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it.
So today we're gonna be doing Vlogmas, Christmas time, the holidays, and we don't know specifically what we're doing, but we're just gonna do some festive stuff, get in the holiday mood, right? Okay, so let's get into the video.
Well, you hit that.
Oh, like this?
Oh wow, okay.
Okay, so let's get into the video.
Wait. Before we start this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 300. We really appreciate every single one of y'all, and let's get it.
Okay, hey guys, so we're in Walmart right now, and we decided we're gonna make some Christmas cookies from scratch. I have the ingredients on my phone. We never made cookies from scratch before, but we have baked a lot before. And we're just gonna see how it goes. We're gonna get the stuff.
Go.
Alright, so we decided to do cake instead of cookies. So we're gonna do like a Christmas cake. We got this, we have cream cheese,
Show me it. Show them everything.
and we're doing red sprinkles. So it's gonna be pretty good.
Let me see them. Ooh.
Okay, so we got some dog toys for our dogs. These two are for Puffy and Crystal. And then this is for my dog Handsome. Hopefully he doesn't destroy it. He probably will. But yeah, they're really cute holiday stuff. I might get, ooh, a cherry one.
Look at those spoiled ass.
Stop.
I told her no, she can't get a candy cane. She's still trying to get it.
I'm deciding which one I want to get.
You ain't getting no candy cane.
So we got each other. Oh wait, never mind. So we got some candy canes, like heart. And we got pina colada and we got crying candy for Christmas. Yeah, it was crazy packed in there, as
Yeah, it
always.
was.
And it's like hard to record in the store because like you gotta find an aisle.
Yeah, and everybody's not even. Sometimes just people just
Yeah.
start staring at you. For
Where
no
there's not so
reason.
many people, or you in somebody's way by accident. So this is our little lunch break. We got Angelina's. We had pizza and the grinder. I was getting to that. And yeah, this is actually one slice, but they cut it into two because of how big it is.
So this is what I got her. That's what it says. See how she reacts.
Oh, why did it?
Hey, you got one more guess. Come here, baby. Come here. Look at it. Relax. Sit. Look what I got you.
Someone likes their little toy. So now we're gonna make our Christmas cake. We got the Betty Crocker. We're gonna make the white mixed cake, and we're gonna do cream cheese and red sprinkles like you guys saw at Walmart. So right now we just preheated the oven, and we're gonna open this up so that we can put it in the bowl and start mixing it. And
Yeah, we're gonna show you the process. So.
yeah,
Yeah.
cooking with AMG. Now we're just putting the cake batter in the bowl right here. And then we're gonna put the eggs and the oil and the water.
And what are we making?
And we're making a Christmas cake with cream cheese frosting. And we got the red sprinkles. It's gonna be really festive, really cute.
Why are you so serious?
So we're gonna make sure it's right. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Alright, now we got eggs.
Okay.
Wait, no. We go, okay. I'll slay with you.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we got.
Oh my god.
Whoa! You just dropped your huevo on the floor. Eggs, man.
No, clean up.
No, I didn't drop it.
Man, perdón.
You dropped one of the eggs earlier.
You should have seen it.
Now we mix. Okay, so we're done mixing all the ingredients and the oven is already preheated. So we're gonna put it in for probably 40 minutes and then we're gonna decorate it and we'll show you guys what that looks like.
Excuse me.
What the?
It was at this moment he knew. He up.
Alright, babe.
This is a habit outside.
Can you stop that?
No. Butter.
Oh,
Oh, no, you don't need butter with
See,
glass.
this is what it's like cooking where she's just talks and talks.
I'm gonna try to read the instructions in Spanish. So time to bake, it says es hora de hornear. Calienta el horno a 350 si vas a utilizar un molde de vidrio o metal o tell me in the comments if I'm doing good.
Alright, we had enough of you. Alright, back to the cooking. Alright, so what's next?
So we're gonna put this in for 35 minutes.
Yeah,
How you feel?
it's violent. Call it.
Crystal, Crystal, oh, you're so beautiful, little crystal ball. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Okay, so the cake is out, and now we're putting the cream cheese frosting on it. And he's doing a terrible job. What is that?
It's funny you started it first.
I started it, I did it good. Why are you doing it like that?
Alright.
You have no sense of how to do
You do
stuff.
it. You do it.
You trying to get diabetes?
Don't hire her, please. Don't
Look at this. Look at this. You're missing out on this action. Wow. Oh my gosh. Betty Crocker who?
What? Oh my god. Alright. Thank you guys for watching the video.
What?
Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You got anything you want to say?
And thank you guys for always supporting us, shouting us out, commenting. We always love that, as you guys know. And we can't wait to make more Christmas videos and just videos for the month of December.
Yeah, with that being said, have a blessed day. And we out.
Take you there.